Tired of missing gift notes on Shopify orders? Just open Sidekick and ask it to build a workflow that alerts your fulfillment team whenever an order includes a gift note. Sidekick leverages FlowSend to instantly draft the perfect workflow. Let's click Preview to check it out inside the Flow editor. First, it's always a best practice to select a test event. This lets you simulate an order with a gift note to make sure the condition logic triggers correctly. Our trigger is Order Created. The condition checks if the order note is not empty. If true, FlowSend fires off a direct internal email alert to your fulfillment team. The logic looks perfect. We'll hit Add to Store to save the drafted workflow. Finally, just click Turn on Workflow, and you're done. Your team will never miss a gift note again. Automate your store's fulfillment alerts today.